In this video, I'm gonna give my old art and makeover. For this, I'm gonna redraw my first digital art. I drew this when I was 10, so let's see how much I improved in these 4 years. So I started with sketching a dynamic pose cause she was straight, and also I don't know where her hands go, so I'm also gonna give her hands. Then I did the line art, which was the hardest for me, and it's always hard for me to do line art because I had to figure out how the hands would be and the position of eyes and does it look correct because I've never studied anatomy or something like that. So yeah, I did that. Took me a while to figure out, and at the last I was still figuring out is it correct or not, but finally I did it. And then I filled some colors in it. I make sure to use the color I used back then, and after my coloring I did some setting, some basic setting because I don't know how to say it properly. I was just guessing and saying it, and then yeah, this is the final result, which is pretty much good for me. I think I could do better, but it's fine. I will do better in the next video, and when I'm gonna draw it again, I'm definitely gonna draw her again because she's so fun to draw. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.